Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how we can easily fix the Wi-Fi when it keeps disconnecting on your account on Windows 11. So the first thing that you want to do is pretty straightforward tutorial and the whole process. So right click on a window and click settings. And then you want to just click on left side system, and then you want to scroll down below, and you're gonna have troubleshoot here and other troubleshooters, and then you can have most frequent internet connection, and you want to click run on it. And it's going to detect problem, and you just wait for a while. You click here, troubleshoot my connection to the internet, and then okay, click close. Then you want to click on network and internet, and then you want to click on advanced network settings on the right below. And then when you have it, you want to click on network reset. So that's something you can do too, and reset now. And then what you can do also is restart the whole computer. So this is pretty much it, how we do it, and this is how it's made. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.